Anyway guys, I'm just trying to show you paper wasps that are sitting right outside my loo. And as you can see, they're quite busy in the morning, feeding all the little baby larvae inside the little hexagonal compartments. These guys normally, if you walk up to the nest, their wings flare out and their tails come up, and they immediately show you that they don't want you to be there. They can sting like mad, but because I'm behind here in the window, they don't seem too fazed by me. So as a website designer, I like to spend a little bit of time doing something else, standing up, walking around, looking at nature, loving nature, giving the place a little bit of love. And nature's one of my, I call it a passion in life. We have a lot of dog hunting in our area, so I'll be showing some of that footage throughout 2024, and hopefully we can build up a collection of information that goes on in this area, mostly good, a little bit of bad, and a lot of serene and peace. Now this nest, I'm not sure exactly how many wasps there are, but there are quite a few. So if these guys got onto you, you would know all about it. Normally it's better to just walk away from a place like this. If you see them, don't stick around, and they will probably leave you alone. But if you stick around for long enough, and if you mess with their nest, they will follow you for maybe 100 meters. They're not really big. I'd say not more than 1.5 centimeters. But they're very good at flying. As the sun warms up, they get busier, and they work on their nest constantly the whole day. About 2 months ago, it was a tiny little nest with about 3 little compartments, and you can see how it's increased to a major operation. They chose a spot under a roof and the morning sun, so I imagine this is ideal for them. And we've had a lot of rain, so these guys are still alright, which is quite amazing. Well, I hope you liked the little video. Please give me a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe to us. I'm a very new video vlogger, and I'd love your comments. Send me a comment below about any experiences you've had with any wasps or creatures that stung you, bees. We've got lots of bees here. We have African bee eaters, which are living in the bush, and I'd love to show you them sometime. But have a wonderful day, guys, and thank you very much.